If you eat only fruit for 72 hours, what happens to the body? After 12 hours, you will start burning harmful fat, and the body enters a state of nutritional ketosis, meaning it will start using stored fat for energy. After 24 hours, your digestion will improve and the body will begin to digest and absorb the nutrients in the fruit. Dietary fiber will reduce bloating, relieve stomach swelling and stomach pain. After 48 hours, your organs will undergo detoxification. The body will benefit from digestive rest and detoxification. You will feel more energetic, your skin will be clearer and have anti-aging effects. After 72 hours, you will feel less symptoms of illness and the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in the fruit will stimulate your immune system. The best fruits during this time include antioxidant-rich berries, fiber-rich apples, vitamin C-rich oranges and grapefruits, vitamin K, and fiber-rich kiwis and antioxidant-rich pomegranates. Follow me to learn more about health.